Hi! Today we're going to learn about the greetings and introductions in Spanish. The first video is called Empezamos. The learning objectives for this lesson are that you will be able to define and use the greetings in the target language. Our target language is Spanish. Define and use the expressions for departing. Answer and ask, what is your name? Ask and answer, how are you? And ask and answer, where are you from? All in Spanish. Here we go. The saludos. These are ways to greet people in Spanish. You've probably heard some of these. Hola is how you would say hello. Hola. Buenos dias is good morning. Buenos dias. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches is good night. And you could say buenas noches for good evening or buenas noches for good night, like when you're going to bed. On the right-hand side, these are a little bit more informal. You might use these with your friends. ¿Qué tal? Is like if you're tailgating. It's like, what's up? How's it going? How's it hanging? Oops. Same with ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa is what's going on. Okay, let's move on to asking what is your name. Nombre in Spanish is a name. ¿Cómo te llamas is how you ask what is your name. And you see I put my llama on here because I do not want to know your llama. Two L's in Spanish make a Y sound, like llama. And you've probably heard it before in quesadilla and tortilla. So all of those in my last name, Carrillo, two L's in Spanish make a Y sound. So I always make a joke, I don't want to know your llama. ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your name? To answer, you say, me llamo. For example, me llamo Amy Carrillo. Or you can say, yo soy. Yo soy Amy Carrillo. Both of them mean my name is, or yo soy is I am. Now, that's if you're asking a friend or somebody about the same age as you what their name is. If you're going to want to ask somebody who you would address by their last name, for example, your teacher, somebody in public that you don't know, somebody who works in the bank or at the post office, a waiter or waitress in the restaurant, you're going to want to address them a little bit more formally, and you might ask them, ¿Cómo se llama usted? ¿Cómo se llama usted is what is your name. It actually means how do you call yourself? And that's what you would use with someone to show just a little bit more respect. It's a little more polite. The answer is going to be the same. They're going to say, me llamo, or yo soy, and then put their name in. The next question you might ask somebody is, how are you doing? To ask how are you doing in Spanish, you say, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? When you answer, you say, estoy. That means I am. Muy bien means I am very well. Muy bien. That's very well. Or you could just say, estoy bien. And that means I'm good. Estoy así así, regular, normal. All of those mean I'm okay. I'm all right. If you say estoy mal, that means you're not having a good day. Estoy mal. Now, again, if you're going to ask somebody who you would like to show some more respect to in a little bit more polite manner, you can say, ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? Also means, how are you? But it's just a little bit more polite or formal. And again, their answer is going to be the same. Estoy muy bien, estoy bien, estoy así así, regular, normal. Hopefully, we don't hear estoy mal. That's bad. Next, you might ask, where are you from? To ask, where are you from, you say, ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? To answer this question, yo soy de, I am from, yo soy de Nueva York. I am from New York. ¿Y tú? And you? Nice. I've heard it's nice there. Cool. To ask somebody who you'd like to show some more respect, the more polite way to ask, where are you from? You say, ¿De dónde es usted? ¿De dónde es usted? Where are you from? And instead of saying, ¿Y tú?, you can say, ¿Y usted? To ask back. Yo soy de Nueva York. ¿Y usted? Moving on. Finally, you're going to want to say goodbye. Here's some different ways to say goodbye. You can say adios. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana means see you tomorrow. Hasta luego. See you later. And in Spain, they say it like this. Hasta luego. Nos vemos. See you soon. And tengo que irme means I gotta go. Places to go and people to see. Tengo que irme. I gotta go. So there you have the end of your first lesson. Hopefully now you can, let's go back to our objectives. Define and use the greetings in the target language. Define and use the expressions for departing. Those are the goodbyes. Ask and answer, what is your name? How are you? And where are you from? And remember, there's two different ways to ask and answer each of those questions. There's the formal way that you would use with somebody who you would address by their last name. And there's the informal way that you would use with your friends and people around the same age as you. Okay, talk to you later.